Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. It's a little bit late because I didn't shop until Wednesday this week. Typically I shop on Tuesdays, but I had other engagements and had to push it back. So this week I went to Aldi and Walmart like I always do, only this time I went to Walmart first. Typically the way that I shop is I go to Aldi first, pick up what I can there, and then buy everything else that I can't get at Aldi, or just the stuff that I like better at Walmart This time though, I chose to go to Walmart first because I was on a bit of a time crunch. Walmart's open 24 hours, so I could get there earlier. So I did my Walmart shopping first, then my Aldi shopping. And it worked out good. I don't know why I felt the need to tell you that story, but there you go. So it was just a puny little shopping trip this week. I stuck exactly to my list. I didn't buy anything extra. Oh, maybe one thing extra, but everything else was on the list. It was in and out. I was home by 9:30 this morning, which is awesome. I left my house at 8:15. It was like super, super quick. That's the way to shop, guys. Stick to your list. Okay, enough rambling. Let's get into what I bought. I'll start with Aldi first, just because this is the side of the table I'm on. I picked up some of these chicken egg rolls. We're going to have like a stir fry, which you'll see here in a minute, and we're going to have egg rolls with that. Some 12 grain bread for my husband's lunches. He loves this. Some hamburger buns because we're going to do some barbecue chicken sandwiches this week for our meal plan. Here's that stir fry. We love the Oriental stir fry from Aldi. It's really yummy. I apologize for the sun. It is a bright sunshiny day outside. So I bought 2 bags of that. That'll be the meal. No meat or anything, just this. And then the chicken egg rolls. So I guess there's meat there, but just for a quick, healthy, cheap dinner option. Some bananas, a couple of boxes of orange Jell-O. My youngest son Austin asked for Jell-O. Some sour cream, a couple of things of mixed vegetables to go in a venison shepherd's pie I'm going to make this week. It was on the meal plan last week and I never got around to it, so I'm going to make it this week. Got some boneless, skinless chicken breast that's going to go in the crock pot and get shredded up for those barbecue chicken sandwiches. I got some mild cheddar cheese that's for my husband's lunches. And that was everything at Aldi. It was super, super quick in Aldi. I was in there for like 10 minutes. I didn't even get a cart. Okay, moving on to Walmart. Didn't really buy a ton of Walmart either. Couple of frozen burrito packages from the Great Value brand. I love the Great Value brand. You guys will see not a lot of what I buy comes from any other brand. I really, really like this store brand from Walmart. I had been buying this sort of thing for lunches here and there, and my husband said, oh, we should have those for dinner. He loves frozen burritos, go figure. I said I could make some burritos from scratch, and he said, no, just get the frozen ones. It's easier, be a quick and easy meal. So that's what I did. I got some tortilla chips. We'll have some chips and salsa with those burritos. Some cheddar and sour cream potato chips. Those are our favorite. I got some more pudding cups, just like last week. My family's still all about the pudding cups this week, so I got a little family pack. We were all out of dishwasher detergent, so I grabbed the Palmolive. That's the one that we use. It's our favorite. I got this great big box of hot chocolate because it's that time of year. 30 envelopes of that. It was like $5. Super cheap. Let's see. I grabbed some Black Forest ham. This is my husband's favorite lunch meat for his sandwiches. He loves ham, especially Black Forest ham. Picked up a few little holiday treats. These little M&M things are to have on hand for Advent gifts for my kids. We do a holiday-themed activity every day, but now that they're older, they're less into the activities and more into the treats. So I just wanted to have something on hand for on a day when I don't have an activity planned. I can just give that to them as a little Advent treat. A couple of things of pistachio pudding. Austin requested this as well. Pistachio pudding is his favorite. And you know, they don't make pistachio pudding cups. At least not that I've found in my store. Over here I have some dog food. This is what our little Shih Tzu eats, patches. It's the Caesar brand and it's the filet mignon flavor. She loves that. I picked up some candy canes. This is for an Advent activity. We're going to do a little like minute to win it style game with these. Some smoked sausage. We're just going to chop this up and put it with some mac and cheese for a dinner one night this week. A couple of things of creamer, much less creamer Then I bought last week, if you guys watched that haul, the original for my husband, and I decided to try the sugar-free French vanilla. I wish that the Great Value brand did more sugar-free options in their creamer. It would make my life so much better because I like sugar-free creamer, and this is the only option that the Great Value brand offers, at least in my store. Maybe other stores that has other ones, but that's the only one in mine. Awesome feminine hygiene products. And that's it for my haul this week. Easy peasy. So I'm going to put the totals up on the screen. I was under budget this week, which is amazing. We got a big Christmas Eve meal to cook coming up real quick, and that one's going to be a doozy of a price. So saving money everywhere we can up until then to make up the difference. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you back. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!